Hello YouTube. In the last tutorial we did that object creation using dedicated function and a new keyword and this and so on. So you understand this up till now. But there is a question, is there any alternative? Well, yes, there is alternative and it is simpler, but you need to type a little bit more. Well, and you will not use function, you will use pretty much hard coding in that alternative. So let me explain. First we will delete this from last tutorial, okay? And the same approach. Here we are going to create objects. We will initialize objects, and then down there we are going to use it. Right, so this is how you are going to proceed. For Michael, you need to immediately go to curly brackets. And here you need to manually type all those names for columns that we are using in the last tutorial over and over again. For example, name and then not equal, but these two dots. I mean, whatever. I always forget what's the name for these two dots. Anyway, so actual name will be Michael, and then after that use comma, and then last name will be Smith. And after that, we have social security number 111-222, let's say. And don't forget to close this command with a semicolon. So here's the situation. You need to type a lot here. And you need to do that for every object you wanna initialize. So I don't know how basically useful this is for you. I think that using functions for object creation is way too better approach, but it is important to note that you can use this approach if you need it. So let me just actually copy paste this down there as a structure for a new command. I mean new object for Samantha. Name will be Samantha and last name will be Fox, and social security number 555-444. Right, so if you're asking yourself where this is useful, the example that's on top of my mind is, for example, when you're opening textual file with the columns, with the data, and then you're changing that textual file in such a way that you're having these column names in front of every field with some other PHP or Perl or Python script, and then you're using it as a part of JavaScript code. Well, yeah, that's stupid, but that's one of the examples. Anyway, let's proceed with actual usage, which is totally the same as in our last example, in last tutorial. Document, write, Michael, and we want to grab, let's say, social security number, and that's it. And let me refresh that, and there you go, the thing works. So same thing for Samantha, alert, for Samantha, let's say name, and plus Samantha last name. Okay, like some alert message when end user visit your page. For example, you can put this into body section, and based on an IP address or something, you just wanna fire this to Samantha, something like that. Right, I also need to have BR here. And I think that's pretty much it. So here we are just doing concatenation from Samantha general object that we initialized. And the term here is initialize things, and in the last tutorial we have created things based on function as general structure. Right, so refresh and Samantha Fox, there you go. And in the background we have that social security number for Michael. So yep, that's about it. Very short tutorial. You can practice with this if you like it. If you don't like it, you can always create your objects in a normal way, which I advise you to do. And maybe you're gonna use this, maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, it is important to know that you can use it if you need it. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up as always. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial.